In this video, I'm going to show you how to create transparent text effect inside CapCut. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm going to open up CapCut and now I'm going to click on New Project to add this transparent text effect. Now I'm going to choose this video of this guy about to kick a goal. Click this Add. And now from here, I want to go ahead and click on text and then add text. I'm going to put in some text in this field. All right, so I've given it some text. Now I want to change the font. So I'm going to have a look at the different fonts they have here. They've got free and pro version fonts. If you want to check out CapCut Pro with a free 7-day trial, I will leave a link in the description below. And in saying that, I might use this font here called Queens. And now I want to make this text a little bit larger. I accidentally flipped it up, so I want to flip it back. Like this so. And now to make this transparent, I'm going to click on Done here. Oh, sorry, I'm going to go back to Style. And now at the bottom of fonts here, oh sorry, I'll need to click into Styles. And now once we're in Styles, we can change the color in that. But where it says opacity, we want to move this slider left to right. And you can see the text becoming transparent. So just choose how heavy or how light you want your transparency. Once you're happy with that, you can muck around with the placement like so. Click onto Done. And now you can see the text only covers half of this video. So if you want this text to be all over this video, don't mind the glowing text effect because that's a different project. So yeah, I can make this text make it fit the whole video by just moving the slider across like so. Can be a bit tricky when you're on your phone doing this like that, so that snapped it on the phone. So yeah, that's how to add in a transparent text effect inside CapCut.